So this is a beautiful home in Draper, and the homeowners are really looking for a way to make this home look like it's had a facelift. And right now the garage doors on it are really basic, don't really add a lot of pizzazz to it. So we're going to put on our new aluminum Pinnacle garage doors, and they should really change the entire look of this home.
So Sean, this thing turned out great, a dramatic before and after. So tell me what you guys did here.
Yeah, it really did turn out great. So what we've done here is we put on a carriage house type of door. It's actually made out of aluminum. It's powder coated. It changes the curb appeal like really no other type of door, and it's really designed to last, really to be the last door they really need to buy.
Yeah, that's awesome. So was something like this really expensive, or what are they looking at here?
Considering what it does and the size that they are, it's really not that bad.
Yeah, and I think it dramatically changes the look of their house. I mean, it's a beautiful house anyway, but now it really stands out.
Yeah,
so I think
really
they're going to be real happy with this.
I do too.